Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 232. And we can just finish this box off here with a 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 5 and 7. There's a 7 here. So 5, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 4, 7. And no help here, so 3, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. And I don't see any help. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here. So that makes this our 9. That 7 makes this our 3 and 7. That 7 makes this our 4 and 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. Got a 4 here and an 8 here. That makes this our 9. That 8 makes this our 4 and our 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so that makes this our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 3 covering here, so 4, 8. 3 covering here, so 4, 8 up, and the 4 there. So that 3 and 4 means this is our 8. That 4 makes this our 3 and 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 9, and a 2 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 9, and an 8 here, so 7, 9. That means our 8 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so that makes this our 2. 3 here makes this our 6, 3. So for this row then, we're still missing 7 and 9 over here. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here. So 7, 9. That means that our 2 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 9, and a 2 here, so 4, 9. That means that our 2 has to be here. That makes this our 5 and our 9. That 5 makes this our 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7, No help on the other two. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and a 6 here, so this is our 1, but no other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so that makes this our 5, 6. And with this 1 and 5, that makes this our 7, 1, 5. This 1 and 7, that makes this our 9. And this 6 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 7, 9, 7, 9. So with that 1 and 9, that makes this our 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.